In this module, we will learn the step-by-step use of simulation to perform static analysis of parts. From defining constraints, uploads, generating the mesh and running the analysis, to verifying the results. As we commented earlier, the simulations performed in the course are only didactic idealizations to show the main functionalities of the software. Therefore, when carrying out your actual analyses, make sure that the conditions set for the simulations correctly correspond to the actual project. Shall we get started? First, open the available articulation support file. Then, to create a new study, we can access the Simulation menu, Study, or in Command Manager, in the Simulation tab, click on the arrow shown and click New Study. The Property Manager is enabled and, with the static study selected, reports that we can create studies of stresses, displacements, deformations and safety factor of components with linear behavior material. Using the simulation add-in included with SolidWorks Premium, only the static option is available. In name, we must inform the name of the study, and in our case we enter Study 1. We have confirmed, and see that we can easily access the various study options just below the project tree. These options are listed in a practical sequence, which we can follow to carry out our analyses easily. By right-clicking on each of these options, we have access to several fields where we can make important definitions for the study. Note the various options available in the Command Manager in the tab at the bottom left with the name of the study created. By right-clicking on this tab, we can copy the study, rename it, delete it and even create a new simulation study. After creating the study, we must enter the properties of the material from which the part will be manufactured. See that for this support we do not have material defined in SolidWorks. If we had defined in the modeling environment, we could use the same material for the study. To define the material, we can click on Apply Material in the Command Manager, or right-click on the file name and choose the option shown. See that the material box is opened, and in SolidWorks Materials, in the Steel folder, we select the IC1010 steel to use in our analysis. The properties of the selected material are shown on the right and we can change the unit of measurement for easier viewing. One of the most important properties in static analysis is the flow voltage of the material, yield strength, which in this case is 180 N/m² or MPa. We click on Apply and Close, and see that we now have a green symbol indicating that the material for the study of the piece is already correctly defined. We conclude here this lesson, where we begin the study of simulation of articulation support, defining the material. In the next class we will continue with the definitions of this study, do not miss it.